everyone, Ray here. On this video, I'm gonna show you the detailed process on how I applied for an Australian tourist visa. First things first, you need to gather all your requirements. This includes identification documents such as your passport, a valid government ID, birth certificate, which is optional but recommended, a 45 by 35 millimeter photo of you. When you have your photo taken, head and shoulders must be against a plain background facing the camera, and the photo should accurately depict your current appearance. So, same dapat yung hair, yung facial features. For travel documents naman, you can scan your passport, showing all the trips you've been to, all your previous visas, itinerary, booking confirmations on hotels kung meron man kayo. To make your application stronger, pwede nyong i-provide to through booking.com or other sites. Pwede kayong mag-rebook. Basta make sure na free cancellation. And then, you can just cancel it after. Another optional one to submit is the flight details. So, kapag nakapag-book na kayo ng ticket, pwede nyo ding i-submit ito. But, just like the hotels, optional lang ito. Prepare a cover letter then addressed to the embassy, stating what you plan to do there and that you have no intention in breaking any of the laws in the country and that babalik kayo sa Pilipinas. Finance and property ownership documents. This includes yung mga payslips nyo, mga properties, ORCR, kung may condo kayo, lote, bahay, include everything, proof of ownership, bank statements and bank certificates. You can check my Reels or YouTube Shorts. Nag-upload ako ng process kung paano mag-request ng bank statements and bank certificates. Better na for the last 3 to 6 months ang kunin nyo. Certificate of insurance, pwede nyo din i-upload. Credit card statement, if may business kayo, business permits, ITRs, SEC or DTI permits. Others that you could upload is stock portfolio. If you own stocks dito sa Philippines, time deposit certificates, the more documents to prove na babalik kayo sa Philippines and na kaya nyong i-finance yung sarili nyo abroad, the better. Depending on when you watch this video, the application process might differ, so I suggest you check the website for the full and updated details of the application process. I'll put the link below.
So on their website, go to visas, getting a visa, list of all visas. On this case, visitor visas ang applyan natin kasi magbabakasyon lang tayo sa Australia. So go to visitor visas. Subclass 600. So, under visitor visa, madami ding options. Dahil bakasyon lang tayo and we are applying from the Philippines, ito yung isa-select natin. Tourist stream, apply outside Australia. Okay, click details. And ayan, you could see here the details of what is needed when applying for this visa. Pwede nyo i-browse to about the visa eligibility, okay, step-by-step process, and when you have this visa. Yan. Hindi ko na siya i-detail because on this video, I'm going directly to the point on the exact steps I did to apply for the visa. But before you apply, again, hindi ko alam kung kailan yung mapapanood tong video na to, make sure to check this page. Okay. Now, click apply. Dahil first time natin mag-apply and wala pa tayong IMI account, let's create one. So, click create IMI account. Type in your email address and then send verification code. Lagay nyo lang yung code dyan. Click continue. I am applying as an individual. So, select natin yan. Input your family name, given names, phone number, and mobile number. Since wala akong landline, same yung nilagay ko sa phone and mobile phone. Dahil Philippines tayo, start with +63 and then your mobile number. Click continue and then gawa kayo ng password and security questions and answers. Agree to the terms and conditions and security check and then click submit. So yan, successful yung pag-create natin ng IMI account. Your username will be your email address din. For citizenship application fees, take note na July 1 may mga bagong application fees. Hindi tayo affected dito because we are applying for a visitor's visa and not for citizenship. Ayan, basahin nyo na lang to for more details. Click continue, and now we can start with our application. Select new application. Dito tayo sa visitor visa 600. Click next. Is the applicant currently outside Australia? Yes. So next, click natin yes, and then let's fill up the details. I am currently applying from the Philippines. So sagutin nyo lang yan. Dito sa purpose of stay, tourist stream, and list of reasons, tourism. Tapos lagay nyo lang yung estimated date kung kailan kayo pupuntang Australia. This is not group processing. Mag-isa ko lang nag-apply, so no. No din sa special category of entry. Click next. Input your passport details. Make sure na eksaktong kung ano yung nasa passport nyo, yun din yung ilalagay nyo dito. If meron kayong national ID, click yes and upload it. Is the applicant a Pacific Australia card holder? No. Input your place of birth, relationship status. So these are the options. If hindi nyo alam, click nyo lang tong question mark. And ayan. So if you have other names, so citizenship, previous travel to Australia, it's my first time, so no lahat yan. So answer nyo lang lahat yan. Does the applicant have other identity documents? Yes, ang sinelect ko dito. So mag-a-add ako. Either your birth certificate, driver's license, marriage certificate, or others. In this case, ang in-upload ko is yung driver's license. Para mas malakas yung application nyo, you could add another one. In this case, birth certificate. By the way, if hindi nyo alam kung nasaan yung identification number ng birth certificate nyo, eto siya. Okay? Then click confirm. Tapos next. Confirm kung tama lahat ng in-input nyo. If yes, click yes. And then click next. So kung may kasama kayo, just say yes here. On this case, may kasama kayong friend ko. So input ko lang din yung details niya. And then click next. Next naman is yung contact details. Country of residence is the Philippines. Office details and address, input nyo lang. If mag-input kayo ng number dito, huwag nyo lagyan ng plus. So just start with 63 and then 9 something. Okay? Because this field only accepts numerical format. Just answer the rest of the questions and click next. Does the applicant authorize another person to receive written correspondence on their behalf? For me, no. Click next. Non-accompanying members of the family unit. So, if meron akong family members na hindi sasama sa Australia, on this case, yes. And i-input ko sila. Okay, click next. Then just answer the questions on your proposed period of stay. For the proposed period of stay, as of now, I only have one planned trip to Australia. Pero nilagay ko na lang na baka possible that I plan to go multiple times. Length of stay in Australia is up to 3 months. Nilagay ko yung planned arrival and departure date ko. And on this question, if I already have dates, kung kailan ako babalik ulit ng Australia, wala pa. So, nilagay kong reason is I don't have any plans yet, but I would love to go back to the country if given the chance with family that time. So, hindi naman ako mag-aaral sa Australia and I won't be visiting any relatives or friends there. So, click next. Dito naman is yung employment status mo. So, if you're employed, self-employed, unemployed, retired, or students or others, just input your details here. And then click next. Tapos your financial support. Sino ang magfo-fund sa inyo sa Australia? Sarili nyo ba? Or may support from your employer, organization, or by another person? And i-describe nyo lang dito yung source of funds nyo. Health declarations. Just answer everything here. On this case, wala naman akong i-declare. Character declarations as well. visa history. Kung meron kayong mga visas of other countries, ilagay nyo dito, click yes, and input all the countries na meron kayong visa. And then just answer the rest of the questions. And then declarations. So make sure na masagot nyo to truthfully. And click next. So meron na kayong na-generate na transaction reference number. Ngayon, i-review nyo lahat. Make sure na tama lahat ng information na nilagay nyo. And then click next. Ngayon, you'll need to attach all your requirements. So remember, mas madaming requirements, mas maganda. I suggest save it on a PDF. Kunyari, lahat ng business documents nyo sa iisang PDF lang para at least mas madali nilang i-review yung requirements nyo. Okay, so upload lang natin dito lahat ng prepare natin na documents earlier. After that, click next. The application is now ready to submit. If may kulang pa kayo, pwede kayong bumalik sa account nyo and submit it on a later date. Right now, kompleto na tayo and let's just click submit. Next step is to make the payment. Total amount is 195 AUD. Select natin si credit card. Input your credit card details. Aside from the $195, meron ding silang surcharge. So, this is charged if payments are made via credit card or PayPal. Depende yung rate sa payment method na pipiliin nyo. So, my total is 197.73 Australian dollars. Click submit. Okay, OTP for my credit card and yan. Authentication successful. Nakapagbayad na tayo. So, ayan. Successful yung pag-submit natin ng application. You will receive a receipt number and the receipt via email. If you click next, you will see your application status submitted. Processing time varies based on volume, complexity, and completeness of application. Para mas madali ang pag-process ng applications nyo, as much as possible, make all your supporting documents complete and respond to requests kung meron man silang hihingin na additional. So, make sure to monitor your emails in case lang mag-email sila. So, if you click View Application, dito nyo makikita yung confirmation of your application. And dito naman yung receipt. Meron din kayong marireceive na acknowledge of application via email. Aside from that, may isa pa kayong email na marireceive for the requirement to provide biometrics. Check nyo lang yung attachments and kailangan nyo itong i-print. Pag magpapa-biometrics kayo, kailangan yung dalhin tong letter and yung current passport nyo. So, for more information, check itong Form 1243I. Ito, hindi nyo na kailangan i-print, yung isa lang. So, kailangan within 14 days after you receive this letter is makapag-schedule na kayo for biometrics collection.
The nearest biometrics collection center from where I am is at Makati. So if taga Luzon or Visayas kayo, the nearest one is Cebu or Davao. You can check the exact address and business hours on this link. Tune in on the next video because I'll be posting the detailed process on the biometrics collection. I applied on June 8 and sinet ko yung biometrics collection appointment ko ng July 16. I got the grant on July 31. So for me, medyo matagal yung pag-approve. I've seen other videos na mas mabilis sa kanila. Yung iba even just 10 minutes after submitting their biometrics. The others, just a few days. So, case-to-case basis talaga siya. Kaya, mas magandang mag-apply kayo early. So, this is the visa I got.
Valid for 1 year yung visa ko. Multiple entry. Pwede akong magstay for a maximum of 3 months.
Total cost is 8,519.96 pesos. This includes the visa application fee and the 557 pesos biometrics collection fee. I hope this video helped. Don't forget to like this video, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell in order to be notified on more videos similar to these. Thank you guys. Bye!